I'm so excited for today's video because it is going to be my studio apartment tour in New York City slash kind of dorm tour. So I'm in college, but we have apartments instead of like dorms because this is New York City, so that's kind of just how it works. The place is really small, and I actually live with a roommate. Her name is Nadja, and most of the stuff is actually hers in the room because I just moved in here. And I'm really thankful she decorated it so nicely. It's like a super warm, cozy place, and we have so many lights and things. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy watching this tour. I'll have most of the stuff linked down below if I can find it. If not, it's probably not available if it's not down there. And if you're new, you should definitely subscribe too. My name is Michelle and I make beauty and fashion and college videos. And let's just go ahead and get right into the tour. So starting off, we have the entryway. We have some coats here. This is my closet, which is actually pretty big for a closet in New York, so I really like it. However, I don't have anywhere to put my suitcase right now, so it's just kind of there. I have my dirty clothes down there, which is also probably not very cute, but it has like a ton of space. There's a lot of shoe space, so I just keep all of my shoes right there, which I have like way too many for this room, but that's okay. And then also I have my clothes here, and I don't really organize them by type of clothes or anything. I kind of just hang them up because usually when I try to organize them, it doesn't last. We have this little corner, and there's just like shoes down there, a full-length mirror, and it's really dark. That's why we put up the lights here. And then also have this little sign, which I was sent, so I really like that. We made some semester goals, so like before we go out the door, we can just look at them. But those are there. These are my roommate Nadja's ice skates. Right here, I just keep like clothes and such in this little bin. And you walk over here. So this is my bed up here. I have the lofted bed, and I really like it. As you can see, we really like the lights in here just because it makes it really cozy. But for my bedding, this pink duvet cover is from Etsy. Most of my pillows are from Target, and then my German Shepherd is for Remembering Roxy, and it was from Aiden, so I really like that. I also just have a blanket down here, and then below that we just have like the kind of hangout area. I actually really like this space. I decided to keep my bed lofted so we could have this under here, but I don't know where these are from, but the blanket in the middle is actually from Target. So, and then up here we just have some flowers, and then that's Nadja's devotional. Cute little salt lamp. Lots of lights, but really like this space just for like reading or doing homework, that kind of stuff. It's really nice. And then right here we have our like eating place, which is really nice because I've never actually had a table, but Nadja had this in here, so I'm forever grateful for that. So we just have some flowers, and then I think this is actually a scarf that she put down. So then we just have some chair pads, that kind of thing. A little clock. Our kitchen is pretty tiny. Right here we just have her spices, and then we just have a microwave up here. And this is all of Nadja's food, plates and stuff in there. This has kind of random things. Up here is just coffee. We don't have a dishwasher, so we have to dry our stuff, and I didn't put those up before this, so that's why they are still out. And then we have the fridge. We were saying yesterday, our fridge looks like a 30-year-old mom fridge because like, look at everything. Everything's so fresh. I was really impressed. We have a lot of produce in here, but we really like to eat good food, so. And then up there, I just have my pantry stuff, and then a few Nadja's decorations right there. And then this is her apron. Right here is just the window and such. We're only on the second floor, so you probably can't see because it's super bright, but there's a really nice view out there with the tree and everything. And then this is actually Nadja's side of the room, so I don't know where any of this stuff is exactly from, but it's super cozy and cute, and I think all of our bedding is actually from Anthropology, so that is where all of that is from. And then right here we have my desk, and it's kind of cluttered right now because I'm not super organized yet, but I just have this lamp, which is from World Market, I think. This cactus little jewelry holder is from Urban Outfitters. Then I just have a picture, stuff to put random stuff in. My vlog camera's usually there because I've been vlogging a lot, which if you want to check those out, it's Michelle out of her shell self-promo. I've been vlogging a lot, so I have a picture of me and Rose right there and some nice little flowers. That is it. Obviously I am in school, so I use this space a lot, and then underneath there I just have books and stuff, but it's a little cluttered, so we're not gonna go too close into there. And we also still have our stockings up and our little tree because Christmas goes until January around here because we really like the festive spirit. But Nadja's desk is also beside mine, but I don't want to like show her stuff because it's her stuff, not my stuff. So, and then we're gonna walk right into the bathroom, which is really nice. Our bathroom has really good just natural lighting. We have this super nice little color wheel picture, which Nadja actually got, but I think it's from Paper Source if you were interested. And then there's just a little clock. And then in here, there's just some kind of toiletry products, which I like to keep to a minimum because obviously we don't have a ton of storage in here because this is New York City and you don't really get a lot of space. But my stuff is on the top 2 tiers up here. It's just kind of like everyday stuff that I like to use. And then we have the sink right here, some cute little fake flowers. And below the sink, I just have a lot of makeup products and hair products, which the top stuff is not just stuff. And then down here, I just have my stuff below it. That is what is under there. Nothing too interesting. And then obviously we just have this shower, like right by you, which is nice and bright. I don't know where our shower curtain is from, but also kind of fits with the vibe of the room. So that is the end of my dorm slash apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The space is really small, but I think we've really done a good job of like utilizing all of the storage and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe to see my next video next week, and also make sure to check out my vlogs because I've been vlogging a ton. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.